Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making mashed meatloaf casserole. Alright, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I have a little over 2 pounds of ground beef. And this is lean ground beef. I'm going to add in 1 onion that I diced up. We're going to make the meatloaf mixture for our casserole. And I'm going to crack 1 egg in here. Now you can season your meatloaf any way you like. This just happens to be the way I season mine. I'm going to use some of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. And I'm going to put, not that much in, but I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons. We want our meatloaf well seasoned. Now I have some Italian seasoning here. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of that. And I have some celery seed. This is a great way to get celery taste without having to cut up celery in your food. This isn't celery salt, it's celery seed. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of that. And I'm using Italian seasoned breadcrumb. I'm going to put in about a half a cup or so. And I'm going to go ahead and mix all my ground beef up. Alright, in a 9x13 baking pan, I'm going to take my ground beef and we're just going to spread this out in the pan. Just want to get a even layer of beef on the bottom of your pan. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven uncovered for 15 minutes. And what that's going to do is that's going to cook the fat out of the ground beef and get it started cooking. Then when I pull it out, I'll drain the excess grease and fat off of the ground beef. Alright, this just came out of the oven. You can see that the ground beef or the meatloaf isn't quite done yet, but it's not supposed to be. Now I'm going to take some mashed potatoes and put them on top here. And I just whipped up instant mashed potatoes, guys. If you want to make homemade, you just go right ahead. I'm trying to keep this easy. You just want to load your mashed potatoes. And I made 10 servings of mashed potatoes. That way there I have a nice healthy amount on here. I'm just going to smooth them out. Let me grab an oven mitt because that baking dish is hot and I don't want to burn my hand. Just want to even them out like you did with the ground beef. Looking good, guys. Alright, now I'm going to take some bacon bits. And these are real bacon bits, not the imitation. If you don't want to put regular bacon on it, get crisped up in the oven or fried, this is the best way to go. But make sure you get the real ones because the artificial ones are like cardboard with some artificial bacon flavor and they're not that good. And I'm going to sprinkle these bacon bits all over. And as this bakes, the bacon bits will start to release their oils and crisp up a little more. And overboard. Alright, that's looking good. Now I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese. Put that on top. It's a nice healthy coating of cheese. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this back in that 375-degree oven uncovered for 15 minutes. That'll finish cooking the meatloaf. It'll melt the cheese and help crisp up the bacon. Alright, this just came out of the oven. Cheese is all melted. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Went ahead and garnish this with some fresh parsley. It would also be great garnished with some green onion. Let me get in here and get this a try. Dexter wants some. See, the ground beef is cooked through. Get some potatoes and some cheese on there. That's really delicious, guys. The meatloaf is moist, well seasoned. You get that bacon mixed in with the potatoes and that cheddar cheese. Really easy, really delicious. Mashed meatloaf casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.